Okay, so today I'm going to change the thermostat on the Mary Kay. I've already removed the air cleaner assembly. Okay, and many of you have asked me before about doing a coolant change, where the drain plug is, etc. If you take out the air cleaner and you look right down there, below the lower radiator hose, I really can't get the camera in there much better than this. I'll tell you what I'll do. I'll put my hand down there and you won't be able to see anything. But it's just below that lower fitting. It's a black plug, and you can just reach in and give it a turn. I've already put a bucket under the car. I'm going to try to avoid screwing it all the way out. The reason it's not draining very quickly is because I don't have the expansion cap off. Once you let some air in there, it'll run out pretty quick. Now when I do the thermostat, which is behind this housing here, 2 bolts. One here, take the hose off. Don't take the hose off, it's kind of immaterial. But cover this entire section with plastic. Do not want coolant dripping on the ABS module, because then you'll start getting messages, traction disabled, ABS disabled, until you can get in there, and it ain't fun to get in there. Take that cover off and spray all the wiring down. So that's basically it. I mean, I could show you how to take out 2 10mm bolts. You know, put a thermostat in and put it back on, but the thermostat's got an O-ring on it, so there's not any gasket scraping involved. It just basically pops out, pops in. Alright? And don't forget to subscribe. I need subscribers. You guys are killing me.